Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where everyone can make money, where you can know when to enter, where to play stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello. Alright. Yo, El Negro. Hello, Jason Candol. Hello, Mavic. Hello, Jeffrey Hamtig. Ariel. Mia, yo, what's up? Ariel, Arviel, Christian Firugay, De Guzman, yo, what's up? Magic Chess Allen, yo, good to see you here. Matthew Klein, Lodi in Facebook, yo, Myla and Ava Grande. Yo, what's up everyone? Thank you for joining our live tonight. Okay. Ison Gaming, good afternoon. Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon to you as well. Ramil. Yo, what's up? Hello. Ramil Rodriguez. Okay, basic TA. Okay, I'm supposed to teach you about Awesome Oscillator, but I am tempted to teach you the drop-based drop according to our title. Okay, so basically, this is one of the important thing that you need to learn. The supply and demand. Okay, whenever the demand is greater than supply, the prices goes up. Okay? So whenever the demand is greater than supply, the prices goes up. Whenever the supply is greater than the demand, the prices goes down. Take note of this one, okay? Because this can make you so much money. We already made in our personal trade in our futures trading this month of April, we already made at least 800. Okay, at least 800 plus dollar. All right, and that's all our trading in this month of April. And we might be able to hit a $2,000 or more, right? That's good. Channel in. Hello, Anthony Ampler. Hello. We are an educational platform, okay? Jo Marie Duran Kalaykay. Hello po. Yo, what's up? Hello, sir. Thank you for sa pagtuturo. I'm doing my own TA now. Yes, channelin. Channelin. Alright. Yes. So, supply and demand. Looks like this one. If demand is greater than supply, this oversold here, this accumulation phase here, is where the prices goes up. Okay, because demand is greater than supply. Mark up. So many buyers but no more sellers. No. Yeah. So many buyers, that's the demand. Sellers is supply. Why are you going to sell in this oversold? In oversold area, you should be buying, right? Because it's cheap. So no one will sell here. Mostly those who sell here are those who are weak hands, poor hands. Those who got wrecked by the institutional money, the banks. Yo, Rio. Good to see you. And Chris Cruz. Hello. That's for hello, huh? Mine is 3 only. So, because so many buyers but no more sellers, the prices goes up. Okay? And the overbought area is the distribution phase. We have been to a distribution phase. This one is supply is greater than the demand. Meaning so many sellers. Supply is the seller. Okay? So many sellers, but no more buyer. Why are you going to buy here? This is already overbought. Yo, John Ventura. Yo, what's up? Alex Palauro. Good to see you again. Alright. Yo, what's up? What's up? So, supply greater than demand. So many sellers, no more buyers. So, the price goes down. Okay? What happens is, in accumulation phase, this is where the smart money buys. Okay? Let me erase all the drawing. Accumulation phase is where the smart money buys. This is where the smart money, the banks, the AI orders in the oversold area. Okay? When it starts to go up, you can expect a retailer buys here. Another retailer buys here. They are in the FOMO. Yeah? You know, right? So you join also the FOMO. The retailers buy here. And then some retailers even buy here in the distribution phase. So in the distribution area. So what happens? Now the accumulation phase, the smart money will make money from these people here who bought in this area. So you will see starting a red candle. Okay, there is a green candle to the upside. Okay, green, 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 green. And then you see a long wick. And then the sell-off is starting. You're gonna see a green candle, and then you see a little red, green candle, and then a red candle again. Okay, so many sellers here until all those who bought here were not able to take profit because they are hoping for more. But the smart money already made money here. Okay, the smart money already made money here, and so it starts selling off, markdown. Okay, so these people here got liquidated, and got liquidated. Okay, look at this chart here. This is 4-hour time frame. Let me remove the Ichimoku, the EMA. Okay, those people who bought here, these are the people who got wrecked in going down. The smart money bought here. Okay, this demand zone right here. This is where the smart money placed their order. Okay, you see that red, that's a demand zone right there. Okay, it's a strong support, that's why it bounces. So that's where the smart money is ordering. And those who are jumping into the ride of the upside, they buy here, they buy here, they buy here, and they even buy in this area. So what happens? You see that green lines? That's supply zone. Okay, that's a huge sell-off there. Okay, you can see long wick. Okay, long wick right there. Okay. Hello, Abdullah Salisu. Hello. Welcome. We are an educational platform, okay? Alright, welcome from Facebook. So, you got wrecked because you entered the long position here. While the smart money is already selling here. They bought here and they sell here. And then it will wait to touch here again. Either they will buy again here, so to pump the price again to the upside. Or it might break because the bad news about the inflation. So it might drop hard if the stock market will continue to dump. Look at the stock market. It's dumping. This is S&P. This is S&P. This is Nasdaq. DXY is pumping. Whenever the DXY is pumping, Bitcoin will dump. This is Russell 2000, this one here. Look at the Russell, it's dumping also. Okay? So basically, If the dump continues, then we can expect Bitcoin will continue to dump. It can reach up to this demand zone here or worse. Okay, let me check. Daily time frame. Hello, hello. Dump, dump. Phew. Let's ride first. Our entry is not yet hit to the downside. Let's ride first. Let's ride first to the downside. I hope everybody of you made money, okay? Because our trade yesterday, I made $216. Wow, that's a good trade, right? You make 10,000 for your trade, 11,000 for a trade. That's right. That's nice, right? That was a $600 trade, of course. So you don't expect a 200 profit with only you are trading $20. Do not expect that way. Your expectation is unrealistic. My trade was a $600 trade, so I make 200. That's easy 200. Okay? That's no sweat right there. Cheers, cheers, Chris Cruz. And I know everybody is making money as well. Hello, Chan Chan. Anyway, here we find a strong demand area here, bouncing area. Look at these red dots here. That's a sign of the support where they bounce most of the time. So mostly we might retest this, and if we break that, that's a hell of a drop. The next support will be right here. Okay, so that's kind of far. Make sure you hold this line or else you'll start dropping hard. Okay, anyway, why am I showing it? Because we always buy at the distribution phase. The retailers buys in distribution phase. You buy in accumulation and then you sell on distribution. What we did this April, was different, right? For our time frame, we sold. We made short position. Okay, our short position, all the signal I gave was short position. I gave a short position here, short position here, short position, short position, short position, short position, short position. Imagine we have already made so much here. My accumulated profit was 800. Imagine 882 with just this week. Sir, ano yung realistic na trade pag capital mo lang is nasa 2K? Okay, so 2K, at least you expect. Okay. Basically, if you are using a 2,000 peso account, that would be $40, right? So usually, my advice is you use 5 USDT for your entry. Okay, you enter with 5 USDT because I usually advise only 2 to 3% of your portfolio. Okay, 2 to 3% of your portfolio. Yeah, that's right, Chris Cruz. Apakalayo ng support. But usually, it will bounce most probably in 27,000. Okay, it might bounce in 27. So, we might bounce in 27 right here. Possible, right? We might break this, but we might just bounce in 27. Anyway, let me answer. So, I usually encourage 5 USDT. And then, from 5 USDT, if the trade is confirmed, then you can start adding. So, you can make more. Okay? So, that's what I do. I reach $600 trade. Not I entered entry 6 right away. I don't do that one. Okay, I only trade $20 or $50. And then once my entry is hit, I wait for confirmation. If it's already going to my trade, then I would like to double more my profit. So I keep adding until I reach such amount. Okay? 600, 300, 500, 600. And then I take profit. Okay? Okay, so from Chris Cruz, expect like 10 to 20 USDT profit. Okay? So that's also possible. Okay? At you just follow my leverage advice, okay? If you really want to protect your account, you follow my leverage. For me, if I enter 600 and I don't do risk management, that can wipe out the 600, right? And that's painful. Okay? Alright. Anyway, going back. So right here, make sure you trade with the smart money because trading with the smart money will protect you. Protect your funds, okay? Let me show you something. This is the demand zone. Demand zone is where the smart money is placing their order. And when I say the demand zone, smart money, I say AI, algorithm, bots. Okay, because 1990s documentary, 30% only is trading in Nasdaq. Okay? In New York Stock Exchange, 30% only is trading there. 70% is trading outside New York Stock Exchange and they are computers, meaning AI. And that is 1990s. How much more? What is smart money, sir? Smart money is the money by the banks. Okay, they can produce billions in trades. Okay, that's why they are called market movers, market makers. Because when they enter the market, they can move the market according to their... They are like the conductor in the symphony. Okay? Can you visualize what I'm trying to say? There is an orchestra for them and they are the conductor. So when they move their hands, a music plays. When they move their right hand, the drums plays. When they move their left hand again, the violin plays. When they move their right hand, the bass plays. They are conducting the music. And that's the equivalent of the banks in the world of trading. When they move the market. Okay? So when they put money, they move the market. That's how powerful these smart money are. And so, they are just called smart money, but they are smart for a reason because they can move the market. Okay? So, if you trade against them, then you will always get wrecked. So this is the demand zone. When it's called demand zone, it means there is a order waiting here for the smart money. So once this happens, it pumps, it touches the supply zone. Okay, it touches the supply zone, and once it hits, then those who buy here, retailers are always FOMO, fear of missing out. Sir, pag nag-add margin, ang basehan pa rin ay yung original entry price mo or yung entry price kung kailan ka nag-add margin? Yes. You can add whenever it's already going down. That's a different from dollar cost average. Dollar cost average, okay, let me visualize it, what I'm saying, okay? Thank you for asking, okay? Those are important questions, so I'll better answer it. Okay, let me hide this one. Okay, for example, this one. My entry, for example, I entered here. Wait, there's my... For example, I entered here. Because that's a drop base. Retest of the zone. Okay, this is the drop, this is the base, and then drop, and then retest of the base again. And then drops again. So here, I place an order here. Okay, so an entry here. So if it doesn't break, this area doesn't break, it doesn't go above, and drops, then sideways, retest, I will buy again here. Okay, because it's continually going down. Because this is the next supply zone. So it will bounce here and then drops again. Okay, so that's how it works. And then, you wait again for the next supply zone. You wait here. I buy again here. And then when it drops, then this is where I sold because I saw a double bottom. It was not able to break out, so I sold here. Okay? And then you ask yourself, it will lower my take profit, sir, because it's going deeper and I'm buying again. So my entry will be drag, right? So your entry will go down also. Okay, that's a good question. And my answer is it is fine. Why? Because it's already in the direction of taking profit. So it's fine. If it's going down, it's fine. At least you are doubling. You are doubling your capital. So from $50, you can be confident in adding. Rather than dollar cost averaging. Okay, what is dollar cost averaging? For example, I open long position. Okay, I open long position. So I say, this will gonna be reversed from here. So this is a long position. So I open here. Okay, open here. So I say it went down and you think this is the bottom. So you think it's gonna pump to the upside. And what happened? It bounces, drops again. This, of course, you don't know about supply and demand. Okay, so what you do is you buy again here. This is dollar cost average. You buy here and then you buy here. You are in hopium mode. As it drops and then it pumps again. Now you are a little in profit because it's higher from here, but it did not reach here. So once you are not able to take profit, it drops again. And then drops again. So you buy again here. So this one, the dollar cost average, you are always buying so you can get lower and lower and wait for it to go up. But this one it's not yet in your direction, and this one takes a lot of money. If you don't have much money, you cannot do this. And also, the one that I do that keep doubling, that's called pyramid trading. Okay? So you only add once you're... But if it's not confirmed, then don't add. And make sure it doesn't mess with your stop loss. Okay? So even if I keep on adding here, my stop loss was... My liquidation was from 54, 52. It's still far. My maximum would be right here. I don't make stop loss below here. Okay, below this main supply zone, I will not put a stop loss below here. Because what if there will be a massive pump, long wick? For example, this one will just a quick long wick to liquidate all the short position. Okay, massive long wick and then goes dump again. Usually that happens. Before the dump, there will be a massive long wick. And if you are not ready with that one, you will get liquidated. Okay? So I hope I was able to answer your question, John Ventura. Okay? Okay. So basically, you need to follow your risk management before doing all these things, because this is more risky. This is more risky. Okay? This is more risky and this can really take you out from the trade. Okay? So to protect yourself, you always put your stop loss. Okay? This supply demand zone, after touching the supply, it will always drop. Always drop. Always drop. Looks familiar, right? Supply zone, supply zone, supply zone, mini supply zone. And now all this long position here got liquidated. And then touches the demand zone again, and then there is a stay for a while and then pumps again. And then touches, pump again. Okay? Look at this one. Look at this one. The supply zone, you place your stop loss for short position, you place your stop loss above the supply zone. So you will not get wrecked. Okay? Stop loss for long position below the demand zone. Okay? So if you notice our trades for this past few days, we haven't touched our stop loss, right? So do you agree? You haven't touched your stop loss and you made profit. Okay? Okay, sir. Gets po. Thanks. Thank you. Okay. You are learning something very valuable because this is already about trading. Not more about technical analysis, but more on making money in the futures. Okay? The one that I am teaching you, this cost thousands of dollars for you to learn this. And here you are learning it for free. Okay? So you are in the best community so far that is giving you free information. Okay? So stops for short and then stop loss for long. So you always put it below the demand or below the supply so you don't hit your stop loss. Because you are trading with the market movers, the smart money. Because the smart money will not allow themselves to lose money. So if they buy here, okay, long position to pump the price and then they sell here, once it drops again here, they will not allow this red candle to cross. Okay, that is not their business. They will not take loss. Okay, they will not take loss, and if they are going to lose, they will not allow it. They can print money out of thin air, right? So, if they put $100 million here and went up, take profit here, and then goes down again, they will add another $500 million here to pump again the price, take profit again here, making money from the retailers. Okay, right now, Robinhood. You see, Robinhood, these are retailers. Other exchanges, we are all retailers. And because we are retailers, the banks can make money from us. Before, it's hard to be a retailer because you cannot just create an account and be a trader. Okay, before you need license and stuff and all, and before trading in the stocks, in Bitcoin and other stuff, you need to be rich just to be able to trade. But right now, even a simple people can do trading. And that's where the institution can make money in the market. They make money from the retailers, and that is us. So if you don't know how they operate, you will be their food. Okay? So you being part here, you can start making money with them. Okay? Yes, Sun Gaming. Alright. So, you are this one. You are the FOMO. Like right now, we opened Shiba Inu in what exchange was that? Robinhood. So it's pumping. So Disney joined again. So once the position of the smart money reach the top, reach the supply zone, they will sell off their position against those who entered here. And so this will become hodlers. Okay? You are forced hodler now. Okay? So, and this takes experience. Okay? So you really need to spend more time in the market. Like I said, you need at least 10,000 hours. 6 to 10,000 hours. At least 10,000 hours in the market, then you become a professional day trader. Okay? Yeah, if you can't beat them, you really can't beat no? We cannot really beat the smart money, the banks. Okay? You cannot beat them because they hold the money. Okay, what we do, imagine you are opening a short position. You saw the drop. Ooh, there's a drop. You open short position here. And then because you have a 100x leverage, you have 100x leverage. So your stop loss is only right here. Okay, your entry is right here. Your stop loss is right here. What happens? It went down and then it bounced back and hits your stop loss. Hits your stop loss. That's painful, right? Not just stop loss, you got liquidated. Because it hits, it went back, and then went down again. That's more painful. It is painful that you got liquidated, but much painful because it went your way and you said, my trade was right. My analysis was right. My technical indicators was correct. But I get stopped out in my trade and it went according to my plan. Because you don't know where to place your stop loss. Wherever you trade here, whether you are in the middle or somewhere, always your stop loss is above the supply zone. Okay? Meaning, you will adjust your leverage accordingly to be able to put your stop loss here. And how to do that? Let me show you. I know I have been teaching this for so many times, but for the sake of those who haven't been here and hasn't known that way, you pull out ruler. For example, your entry is right here. You are opening short position here. Okay, this is your short position, and you need to put your stop loss here. So this is 8.17. The risk that you will be taking is 8.17, 48,251. So 8.17. How much leverage can you have? Let's say 5. 5 is 40x, 40% loss. You can maximize it. 8.17. Let's say 15x. Not available. 8.17. Let's say 10. Okay, you can have leverage of 10x. Okay, so you cannot wipe out your account. This is your stop loss. Then you don't liquidate yourself and you're only trading 1 to 2% of your portfolio. So that would mean if it goes here, you're gonna lose 81% from your whole trade. But it's impossible to hit. Okay, that's the key there. It's impossible to hit. So you don't make money because you entered here. So you have put all your entry right here and you don't know you have with your first entry you put all your capital right away. So you cannot dollar cost average and neither can you add more. So with this play here, you cannot make money from this play here. You only made money once it start dumping here. Okay? Nonetheless, you are not stopped out in the trade and you are not liquidated. Okay? Because you know how to use leverage. So you only use 10x. Okay? But if you use 100x, what will happen to you? If you use 100x, your entry is right here. You're gonna only have 1.09% because times 100, that's 100% already. You got liquidated with this short span. You got liquidated right away. Okay? So I hope that's clear. That's how you use leverage. You use the ruler. Okay, I've been teaching that in our Zoom class. Oh, it's already 6:32. So if you haven't scanned our QR code, make sure you scan it so you will be redirected to our community. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel for those who are watching in different platform. You can click this link and you will be redirected to our Telegram community where we give out specific signals, okay? So scan that QR. We have a Twitch account. Okay, video download was cancelled. You just refresh it. We have this in Facebook. Okay, we have it in Twitter. We are also live in Twitter. Okay, so you can check all our. We have a live yesterday. Our live every Tuesday and Thursday is 8 p.m. Oh, that's why I didn't see your name. You're waiting for 6 p.m., right? Tuesday and Thursday is 6 p.m. Okay, MWF, we do 6 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday, 8 p.m. Okay? Because we have a Zoom class Tuesday and Thursday. So maybe you are not yet part of our practical group, so you can join also our Zoom class. Okay, so after you scan, you will be redirected here. You will be here, 1,677 members. And from here, you get a forecast, weekly forecast, daily forecast, 4-hour time frame forecast. And then 1 hour is where you get your long or short position signal. Oh, I see, I see. We miss you as well, okay? Anyway, so once you join here, these people will message you, KZ and Welcome Trade Scholar. They will message you, they will guide you so you can be part of a specific signal, okay? Because right here, everybody making money. Thank you, Rodney PH. I think that's me. Alright, so that's Madam Angela. Alright. Okay, so she's making money. And this is Ma'am Ava Grande also making money. Alright. So make sure you be part of our practical group. Okay? So from here, how to be part of the practical group. This is the visual illustration. You are currently here in the community, live BTC, live technical analysis. Practical group is where you start trading. And if you start trading, you need to start trading in Julian. Okay, that's julianex.live. You download the app there. And then this is like if you are trading already in Binance, in other exchange, then you add to your exchange. Okay, and you can start trading in Julian, $100 to $500. If you put your balance there, then you will be able to join our practical group. So you message me and then say, I already put at least 100. So they will add you and then you can start trading. Okay? And then live technical analysis, daily signal, beginner course. You can join the Zoom class. Okay? Learning video. videos. Okay. Exclusive. Okay, exclusive 500 greater. Here you can have more exclusive signals, okay? One-on-one review meeting, advanced courses. This one-on-one review meeting is already happening with Sir Ian, okay? So Sir Ian is taking care of our exclusives community. Okay? This is more advanced, okay? Here in practical, I take care of those who are beginners. And then once you start in advanced, then we have our Sir Ian who will take care of you also, okay? Sir, makakasali din ako. Nag-iipon pa ako sa Yilian account ko. Okay, that's great. Yeah, you join also our raffle and that would be a good start right away. Okay? Exclusive, advanced courses, learning videos, daily signals. Alright. So that's our community. And you also learn how to make money and you also learn to grow your account. Okay? And our priority is risk management. What will you do with your profit if you can lose and wipe out all of it at one trade? Right? So that's painful also. Okay. Okay. Oops. What did I click? Okay. I hope I did not click the exit. Good, I didn't click the exit. Anyway. Let's get back to our... Okay, we're done with the promotion. Order block. What are your... Okay. I haven't thought really well of that yet. But thank you for your question. We'll get back on it next session, okay? Thank you for asking that question, Chan Chan. Okay? As of now, I only use Fibonacci retracement for entries. Okay? And then for stop loss, I use the supply and demand. Okay, that's basic and that makes money, so I can work with it. Okay, but with the OB or order block, I usually order block it. I haven't dig into it thoroughly yet. Okay, so we'll get back to you with that when I do. Okay, thank you for asking that wonderful question. Okay, let's check now the news. Let's check news. Iran moves forward with plans to launch Crypto Real CBDC. Okay, so Iran is now going to launch its Crypto Real. Oh, it's crypto money. I see. That's bullish. Everybody is into crypto now. Massive Shiba Inu accumulation as Ethereum whale buys over 775 billion. Imagine. They are calling it whales. Ethereum whales. I don't think this is whale already. 775 billion. In single transaction worth 20 million. Okay, that's 20 million only. Okay, you can consider that whale. Okay. Blue Whale has bought over 700 billion units of Shiba Inu. Alright, so this is bullish. That's after the news, right? Look at the SHIB. Let's check the SHIB right now. I think SHIB has pumped so much. Look at that pump from SHIB. I don't know, maybe the pump is already over. Look at that one. Can you see that? Can you see this massive long wick in 4-hour time frame? That's the demand zone selling to the supply zone. This is the supply zone. Okay? So this is the supply zone. And as you can see, after touching it, the supply, the demand zone here, those who bought here, okay, those who bought here at the bottom touching the demand zone are selling in this area. Bought here, and those who FOMO, bought here, and now they are hodlers. Those who bought here, you can see this strong long wick. This is a seller hour. Okay? Look at this one. Once you touch a level or a zone, it's a strong level once you have a long wick. Okay, after touching it, you get rejection and you go down. Okay? That's a strong guess. Okay, that's a strong guess. It's only strong if it touches and it stays. It's weak if it stays for too long. Okay, and you can see from our market, it touches and then it drops. Okay, and then doesn't break really in this area. Okay, so that's supply zone. Now, so many hodler of Shiba now. The one that ordered 40 million, 20 million worth, they already sold here. They already sold here. So they bought here because the news is delayed. Whenever you see the news, it's already sold. It's already sold. Okay, the news is delayed. So you got baited when the news about it will be listed in Robinhood. It's already delayed. All the whales already placed their order here in the demand zone. Okay, they have accumulated already. And now after the news, maybe it's already right here. And then the retailers entered, and so the whales and the institution made money with that one. Now it's dropping. Okay, and it will touch again here and it will buy again here. Okay. All right. So if you are catching this, then you get wrecked. That's why I don't usually follow news. What I do with the news, especially with this kind of hype coin, what I do is if it is hype, I will short it. Okay, I will wait for the good time to short. Of course, you need some supply and demand area knowledge before you short some market. Vic, hello, J De La Cruz. Okay, hello. Okay, going back. Oh, that's our news. Let me check the news again. Massive from another news is the Ronin hack aftermath Axie Infinity 1 million bug bounty. Okay, there is a $1 million bug bounty. Now they are trying to find the Ronin hack, the bug in Ronin. If you are able to fix it, you get 1 million. This is the job of the white hat hackers. Calling all white hats. Yeah, so now they're asking the white hats. Because their bug was exploited by the black hat hackers. Okay, black hat are the evil hackers. And these white hat hackers, these are the good people in hacking. Hack for a cause. Anyway. So I hope they fix this because this can drag to monitor the stolen funds. Okay, you can only monitor but you cannot get it again because once it's released, it's there. Team Veloso, yo, what's up? Thank you for joining us. Okay, that's all our news for today for Bitcoin, and we have some 150 million liquidated within 24 hours. Okay, in 24 hours, 50% in long, 50% in short. So the people now are divided. Is it going to be long or is it going to be short? So nobody knows right now. Okay, and then greed and fear, 25. So extreme fear. Okay, so many fearful right now. So most of those fearful are shorting. Hello, Ram Miranda. Yo, what's up? Okay, let's TA now the Bitcoin. Weekly time frame. What do we have in weekly time frame? In weekly time frame, we fit in the channel up. Okay, this is channel up. And in channel up, you can expect the breakout to the downside. Okay, whenever there is a channel up, once this breaks, this is going to break to the downside. Okay, this is the price target of the channel up. breakout will be 31,800. Okay, if this break, this is weekly time frame, okay? So this is the breakout for the channel up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Start. Here, channel up, and then break out to the downside. Okay, so this is the chart that we can see right now. Okay, all right. Awesome Oscillator is still bullish. It might change. We are also having a strong support here. It's not easy to break. This is kind of thick right here. Okay, this is high volume node in our VPVR, so we might find support here. Okay, daily time frame. In daily time frame, what do we have here? Okay, so we are actually sitting here in our support. This is still little wicks, okay? Tested twice, was not able to break. But we are not also pumping because we have a support, we have a supply zone here waiting. Okay, because that's what happens. The demand zone turned into a supply zone. Now, it's going to be hard to break. So if we can break this area here, most probably, we can bounce back and forth here until we drop or until we pump. Okay, we are still in Wednesday, so we still have Thursday and Friday. So I don't think we can have a green candle for this week, because in weekly time frame this is evening star, big green, small red, big red. Okay, the next candle is supposed to be a red candle, so we are only waiting for this to break and then we can start dropping more. Okay, daily time frame, but we have a strong supply area here, a demand area here, so we might bounce here, just like these lines here. That's a supply, that's a demand where you can most probably bounce. And then right here also I support also. Okay, for our time frame, we haven't printed the green red volume yet. Okay, if we print a red volume here in Awesome Oscillator, this would be a bearish saucer, so that would continue the ride to the downside. Okay, of course it will have a long wick to the upside first before dropping, so I know it will hit our entry. Our entry is right here, right in the support, and we haven't touched it yet. We are just bouncing in the 0.236. It is already strong. If we really can't touch it, then we better have an open position also here in the 0.236. Okay, 1 hour time frame. We are forming double bottom. We have formed, by the way, double bottom. This is double bottom, but we were not able to get a breakout to the top. Instead, we drop, and we are now forming a triple top or double top. Okay, that would be more bearish. Okay, so if we cannot really break this to the upside, then it will break to the downside. Okay, so specific signal, I will be giving it to our practical group. So make sure you are in our practical group. Okay, hello, my El Negro, Ben, Myro, Blair, Edward, yo, what's up? Any suggestion? Any suggested coin right there so we can TA it? Okay, if none, I will be going through the coin that we have here in the list and then go to our raffle next. BTC, Ethereum, let's check Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum right now, ooh, just dropped from the supply. Oh, this is delicious. I like to open short for this. Hello, I would like to order a short position This is double top. This is double top, top, top. Okay. Pull out the fib. Swing high, swing low. We are bouncing in 0.5 and that would bring us to the downside. 0.382. You can open short position here. Okay. If you want to keep your funds full, right? We call that full. You put your stop loss above the top. Okay, above the supply zone. If you really want to be super safe, your stop loss should be above here. You will not hit your stop loss, but you can have lower leverage. Okay, depends on you. But as your technical analyst and a signal provider, I will always give you the safest. Hello, Sim Veloso. I use indicator. This one is awesome oscillator. This one is VPVR. Okay. This one is FSR. You can type FSR and you can find this one. Okay. For the supply and demand. This is related to supply and demand also. Because I really like the supply and demand much better, because knowing supply and demand, you are trading with the banks. Okay, you are trading with the smart money. That's the most important part there. Even if you have so many good indicators, but if you are trading against them, your stop loss will always get hit and you will always be out of trade. Okay, and you will not make money. Okay. Yes, FSR. Let me type it for you. I made it a favorite here. Fractal support resistance. Okay, fractal support and resistance. So basically, just a support and resistance. Okay. 6,798 using it. Okay. You can have that one. I'll add it also here in my material. You know, right? We are always improving our material. The biggest room in the world is the room for improvement, so we keep on improving ourselves. But if you are a blamer, you cannot improve yourself because you always blame others when you fail. And when you blame others, you cannot grow, because the people that needs to change are the people you are blaming, not you. So you take the blame and so you can change. Okay? Supply and demand. This is a good short position right here. Let's check the Ichimoku. Oh, we are inside the cloud. This might be hard to break, but if we break this is a free fall. Okay. EMA. Oh, we are already below the Ichimoku. We'll see. And they are waiting in the 0.382, so we cannot break this 382 to the upside easily. It is meant to go down. Alright. Okay, that's good. That's good. So you got all of the indicators, my favorite, huh? So these are the ones that I use. Alright. Cheers. And you make sure you join our Telegram to maximize, because we would love to get to know you more and make money with you. Alright. Okay, this is our QR. You scan it and you join. If you don't want to scan, you can click this link and you get redirected in our Telegram community where everybody is making money. This is our practical group. Okay, and as you can see, money. Okay, people here don't hate money, because if you hate money, money will not come to you. Okay, you treat your money like a special, like your children also. Okay, you don't just let them go right away when somebody wants to borrow you your hard-earned money and they don't know how to pay you back. You don't let your money go to them, because they cannot go back to you anymore. Okay? Okay. You only let people borrow if it's for business. That's assured they can return it. Okay, but if for emergency, you will have hard time. And you have That's your hard-earned, okay? So you see these people here making money, money, money. All right, so that's our community. And once you join, you will be part of the money-making machine. You can start making money also. Okay? All right, all right. So cheers, cheers, cheers to that. Okay, so that's it. Let's now go to our raffle. Let's continue to add on the list. Okay, this one is the bad news. Bitcoin briefly pumps as US inflation breaks another 40-year high. It pumps but it's gonna dump soon. Okay? Total maximum pain. Okay? So, there will be a opium for the bulls and then they get wrecked. What are we going to have? Raffle. AM Bernardo, yo, what's up? You have 83 entries. Oops. Okay, if you want to join our raffle, just comment 20 USDT, okay? El Negro. Jason Candor. Mavic Mendoza. Jeff Samsig. Ariel Natividad. Mia Stephanie. Ariel Natividad. Natividad. Ariel. Christian. Uri. Leguan. Avagra. Neil Rodri. Ison Gaming doesn't have entry yet, right? You just comment 20 USDT if you want to join, okay? Anthony Ampler, hello. You can join our raffle by commenting 20 USDT, okay? RA. Jo Marie Duray Kalaykay, if you want to join our raffle, feel free to comment 20 USDT channelin. I won't type those who don't type 20 USDT, okay? So you might not be interested, so I won't. Jo Marie Duran. Then Alik Talauro. Good evening, John. Abdullah Salihu, salam alaikum. Oh, you are not joining our raffle also? You can join, okay? If you're interested. Hi, Balasteras. You can just comment 20 USDT. This is open for all, okay? Just follow the instruction in the comment melody in the description below. Hey, Zangwin, you're here. Chan Chan. Chan 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 Chan. Please Cruz. Karima Queen. Tibo Azon. Aaron Mark. Linya. Don Ezekiel Agnaya. Houston. Thank you so much, boss. Most welcome. If you want to enter raffle, you can comment 20 USDT, okay? So I would love you to win this. Ray Velez. Yo, good to see you again, Ray. I think we have Mary Madeline. Not yet? Oh, not yet. TJ De La Cruz. John Zamudio. Yes, Sim Veloso. Welcome to our raffle. Miranda. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Nakatulog. Nakatulog, haha. El Negro Ben. Myro Jr. Ben. Hector Alvarez. Granda. Ronen Simon. Welcome to our raffle, okay? I think this is all. Thank you for joining our raffle and our live, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and share, okay? All the best, everyone. See you in our practical groups so you can get our specific for tonight. All the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Trade safer. Bye-bye. Bye.